Imagine putting $1,000 into 7 of the biggest US tech companies exactly 5 years ago and just leaving it. Some of these giants barely scraped a positive return, weighed down by slow years and shifting fortunes. Others quietly doubled your money while nobody was watching. But one name on this list turned that same $1,000 into a jaw-dropping $9,240, and you will not guess how far down the pack it actually sits until we get there. Let us count down from the weakest performer to the one that changed everything, remembering capital is always at risk. Kicking things off at the bottom is Microsoft, where $1,000 grew to just $1,264, a 26% return over 5 years. That might sound decent until you remember this is one of the most powerful companies on the planet with a stranglehold on cloud computing and enterprise software. The problem is much of its AI and Azure growth story was already priced in, leaving the stock to grind sideways for long stretches. Steady, dependable, but nowhere near as exciting as what is coming later on this list. Just above Microsoft sits Tesla, turning $1,000 into $1,276, a 28% gain. Tesla has been a roller coaster of a stock, swinging wildly on delivery numbers, price cuts, and Elon Musk headlines. Despite the drama and the EV price wars that squeezed margins, 5 years of ups and downs still landed investors a modest profit. It is a reminder that volatility does not always translate into big, long-term rewards. Amazon comes in at number 5, with $1,000 becoming $1,338, a 34% return. The e-commerce giant faced a tricky stretch as pandemic-era shopping demand cooled off and costs rose across its retail arm. AWS, its cloud division, kept growing steadily and helped offset the slowdown elsewhere. Still, compared to some rivals on this list, Amazon's growth over the period looks fairly restrained. Meta lands at number 4, turning $1,000 into $1,569, a 57% gain. This one had a genuine rollercoaster story, crashing hard in 2022 as metaverse spending spooked investors, then roaring back thanks to an advertising rebound and a sharper AI push. The recovery was so strong, it more than made up for the earlier pain. Proof that even a brutal downturn does not always define the final result. Now we are into serious money. Apple takes 3rd place, turning $1,000 into $2,293, a 119% return. Consistent iPhone demand, a booming services business, and relentless share buybacks kept Apple's growth engine humming for half a decade. It is the kind of steady compounding that quietly builds serious wealth without dramatic headlines. More than doubling your money in 5 years is nothing to scoff at. In 2nd place, just edging out Apple, is Alphabet, where $1,000 became $2,210, a 121% return. Google's parent company leaned on search dominance, YouTube advertising, and a growing cloud division, all while investing heavily into AI tools like Gemini to stay competitive. The margin between Alphabet and Apple is razor thin, but it is enough to claim the runner-up spot on this countdown. And here it is, the number 1 spot, NVIDIA. A $1,000 investment 5 years ago is now worth an astonishing $9,240, an 824% return. The chipmaker rode the AI boom like no other company on this list, with demand for its GPUs exploding as tech giants raced to build AI infrastructure. What started as a niche graphics card business became the engine room of the entire AI revolution. No other name here comes close to this kind of growth. So there you have it, from Microsoft's modest 26% gain all the way up to NVIDIA's staggering 824% surge, turning $1,000 into $9,240. It is a striking reminder of how differently even the biggest tech names can perform over the same 5-year stretch, and how quickly fortunes can shift with a single dominant trend like AI. Remember, past performance is never a guide to future returns, and capital is always at risk. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more UK money videos, and we will see you in the next one.